to be doing a hooded eye winged liner. By the way, my technique is very similar to Alyssa Ashley. If you don't know who she is, I love her so much. She is such an amazing artist. I will link her down below if you would like to check her out as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. You have to click the bell notification on if you would like to be notified of my future uploads. And don't forget to check out all of my new things on my channel. I just revamped all of it, and I'm pretty stoked about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below as well. And I now have a Patreon. I am so excited, guys. So excited. I cannot wait to grow that community with you. Just remember that nothing is happening to the free content here on YouTube. It's still going to be coming out as usual. In fact, I'm going to be uploading more often now, probably on Tuesdays and Fridays. And I am excited about my Patreon. I really hope you guys like it too. I can't wait to get to know some of you guys better and more personally. If you would like to check out the link, it is down below. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. Let's jump into this video. Zoomed in Josie here, and we are going to try and explain how I do liquid liner on my more hooded eye clients. A winged liner, I should say. There are different kinds of liners. The one that I like the most is a liquid, but if you are more of a beginner, you should really try a gel liner because you have a little bit more control with that. My favorite liner is the black Day Paint liner, and this is the eyeliner by Tarte. And then one of my favorite brushes to do very sharp wings is the Sigma brush, the eyeliner brush. This is E11, and look how tiny this is, guys. It's pointed and tiny. It's just amazing. I do have a Sigma discount code in the description below if you guys would like to use it and get yourself one of these liner brushes. They are so amazing. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of, just a tiny bit, by the way. Right now, we just want a little tiny bit. When you have airplane, are you for real? The airplane would decide to fly over super close to I live right by an airport. Are you gone? Okay, you're pretty much gone. The trick to a winged liner on a hooded eye is keep your eye open while you are figuring out where your wing should go. A lot of us do our eyeliner like this. Even I do sometimes, and sometimes I regret it because of this little piece of my eye that's hooded right here. And I do my liner too much at an angle and then too thick, and then it like folds into the eye. And that's not what we want. We are wanting a smooth line when we have our eyes open. So what I do is I look straight forward. If you can see, if I look up at you, you can kind of see where my eye hoods in a little bit right here, where it falls down. So what we are going to do is mark where it starts to fold in. So have your eye open like this, and where it stops folding in is where you want to make your mark. See that? And then what I like to do is just flick this out at the angle that we want the liner to go out. So now see, I have two little marks telling me where I can and cannot go. So now we're going to load our brush with the eyeliner, and we are going to go in between these two and just make a line up. See that? And then we're just going to connect the two to this line that just went up. just like that. And now you can see, no matter how much of an angle I am looking up on my eye, it doesn't crease because we've went under that fold. Sometimes your fold goes a little bit more down, and that's okay too. All you would really do is just bring this out more instead of up like this. But since you're marking where your little fold starts, you won't go into that fold. So now we are just going to fill this in and really get that flick out at the edge of this wing. So for this part, I do like to almost close my eye to make it tight so I can get that little point really sharp. And then what I like to do is just go in and do the rest of your liner along the base of your lash line, and we want to keep this extremely thin. If you have more of a hooded eye than I have, I would actually just recommend to tight line here with a liner. So like if this was the liner, we would go up into the lash line and just tight line. And then maybe just do a little bit in your inner corner, but then leave the rest of your eye bare, because since you have a hooded eye, you have little space on your lid. Do you see that? And you want to keep that as open as possible so that it doesn't look like it's all black. You feel me? You feel me? So we just want to keep this as thin as possible, just like that. All right, moving on to the other eye. Again, we're going to take a tiny, tiny bit of eyeliner, and we are going to look straight on and just mark where our crease begins. Just like that. And then also draw where you want your liner to come out. There we go. There are the two little lines again. Just like that. And then we're going to connect the two by just filling it in. Just like that. And then we're just going to build the wing once again. So fill it in. This brush is just so amazing. And so is this eyeliner. The eyeliner that the Tarte eyeliner is kind of, in my opinion, a mix of liquid and gel. It's like both of best worlds. It's really amazing. And it doesn't pull on your eye. So, you know, it's just such a good liner. There is the liner finished, and we can move on to the rest of our face. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and you have to click the bell if you want to get notified of my uploads. I hope you guys like all my changes. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!